Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of whales. Those magnificent giants of the ocean that have captured human imagination for centuries. Did you know that the blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have lived on Earth? These gentle giants can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. And here's a fun fact. A blue whale's heart is about the size of a small car. Let's dive in and explore more about these incredible creatures. Whales are divided into two main groups, baleen whales and toothed whales. Baleen whales, like the humpback and blue whale, are equipped with baleen plates instead of teeth. These plates, made of keratin, act as a natural filter. When feeding, baleen whales take in a huge cup of water filled with krill, plankton, and small fish. They then close their mouths and use their tongues to push the water out, while the baleen plates trap the food. This method allows them to consume large quantities of small prey efficiently. For example, a blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, can eat up to 4 tons of krill in a single day. Baleen whales are also known for their long migrations, traveling thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds. Toothed whales like sperm whales, orcas, and dolphins have sharp teeth that make them effective hunters. Unlike baleen whales, they actively pursue their prey. Sperm whales are known for diving deep to hunt giant squid. While orcas, or killer whales, are versatile predators that hunt fish, seals, and even other whales. These whales use echolocation to locate their prey, making them highly efficient in various marine environments. Their hunting techniques often involve complex strategies and social cooperation, showcasing their intelligence and adaptability in the ocean. Whales are also known for their incredible vocalizations. Humpback whales sing complex songs that can travel for miles underwater, while toothed whales use echolocation to navigate and hunt in the dark ocean depths. These sounds are not just communication, but also a way to bond and coordinate within their pods. Many whale species undertake long migrations every year. For example, gray whales travel over 10,000 miles, round trip from their feeding grounds in the Arctic to their breeding grounds in Mexico. These migrations are among the longest of any mammal on Earth. In the past, whaling was a significant industry. Whale oil was highly valued as a fuel for lamps and as a lubricant. Whale meat has also been a source of nutrition in some cultures, particularly in Japan, Norway, and Iceland. Whaling has been practiced by various cultures around the world for thousands of years. Traditional methods often involved small boats and hand-thrown harpoons, relying heavily on the skill and bravery of the whalers. Modern whaling, however, is a much more industrialized process. Let's take a closer look at how it's done today. Whaling ships today are equipped with powerful engines, advanced navigation systems, and specialized harpoons designed for quick kills. The crew consists of skilled individuals trained in the complex operation of these vessels. Once a whale is spotted, the ship approaches quietly. The harpooner takes aim and fires a harpoon equipped with an explosive tip. The goal is to strike a vital area, ensuring a swift and humane kill. Once the whale is securely fastened, the crew begins the process of hoisting it onto the ship. This task requires great skill and care due to the whale's massive size, which makes maneuvering it quite challenging. The crew uses ropes, pulleys, and other equipment to slowly lift the whale, carefully adjusting to avoid any damage to both the ship and the whale. This operation not only demands technical expertise, but also smooth coordination among the team. As the whale is gradually brought onto the deck, every movement is executed with precision to ensure it is positioned properly for the next stages of processing. Only the whale is securely positioned alongside the ship, the flensing process begins. This crucial stage involves carefully removing the blubber and meat from the whale's carcass. The crew, equipped with large, sharp knives, starts by making precise cuts along the length of the whale's body, usually starting from the head and working towards the tail. The crew carefully separates the thick blubber into large strips. Once removed, the blubber is moved to another area on the ship for further processing, often turned into oil. Whale oil has a long history of use in lamps, lubricants, and other products, and proper handling ensures it's preserved and used efficiently. Next, the crew focuses on the whale's meat, which lies beneath the blubber. They use knives and saws to cut the meat into large sections for further processing or preservation. This careful work ensures efficient processing, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. The entire process demands a deep understanding of whale anatomy and precise, skilled effort to turn the whale into valuable resources. Once the whale is brought aboard and flensed, the meat is carefully divided into large sections. This initial step requires skill and precision, as the meat is incredibly dense and heavy. Workers use specialized knives to ensure each cut is clean, separating the meat from the bones and blubber. This process marks the beginning of the whale's transformation from a giant of the sea to a resource ready for processing. After the meat is divided, it moves to the next stage where it is cut into smaller, more manageable portions. These portions are then vacuum packed to preserve their quality and prevent spoilage. Some of the meat is smoked or hung to dry, which not only extends shelf life, but also adds a distinctive flavor. In some cases, the meat is lightly salted before smoking to enhance the preservation process. This combination of vacuum packing, smoking, and salting is vital, especially for communities that rely on whale meat as a primary food source, ensuring that the meat remains safe for consumption over long periods. In preparation for cooking, the vacuum-packed meat is later opened and further cut down into smaller pieces, suitable for specific dishes. This step is often done by skilled butchers or chefs who know the best ways to prepare different cuts of whale meat. The meat's texture and flavor vary depending on which part of the whale it comes from, so each cut is tailored to bring out the best qualities of the meat. From steaks to thinner slices for raw preparations, the cutting process ensures that each piece of meat is ready for its intended culinary use. Finally, the whale meat reaches the kitchen, where it is prepared according to traditional recipes. Whether it's grilled, stewed, or served raw as sashimi, whale meat is often considered a special dish in many cultures. The cooking process highlights the rich, unique flavors of the meat, making it a prized component of traditional meals that have been passed down through generations. Beyond the meat, other parts of the whale are also put to use. The bones, once carved into tools and intricate pieces of art, hold historical and cultural significance in many communities. These bones can be transformed into everything from everyday utensils to ornate carvings that tell stories of the sea. Baleen. The flexible material found in a whale's mouth was historically used in making corsets, brushes, and other items that required a strong yet pliable material. Today, baleen is considered rare and valuable, often sought after for its unique properties and historical importance. Whales are truly extraordinary beings that play a vital role in the health of our oceans. Their presence supports marine ecosystems and inspires awe and wonder. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of whales. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing wildlife content. See you next time!